Welcome to the monthly market update on You and Your Money. I'm Jim Zahansky, Senior Managing Partner and Chief Strategist at WHZ Strategic Wealth Advisors.
Yeah, this has been an interesting year, right? We did a mid-year recap. I think Lawrence was on a few weeks ago talking about actually the Big Beautiful Bill Act and the impact to clients. With that, there's been a lot of movement in financial markets this year, mostly in the equities markets globally. And all indices on the equities markets are very strong. So whether you're looking at the S&P 500 or the Russell 3000 or other indices that look at the performance of the stock market in general, they're all pretty positive this year. High single-digit returns for most part. Sectors like tech are driving that, financials. And then when you look at the bond market, that the fixed income market's also doing fairly well. Not as strong as the equity market, but it's solid overall year. However, it's not as if there aren't risks out there, right? You all remember April and, the tariff impact. And the tariffs still are there. So markets have calmed themselves down because there's been some trade deals done with South Korea and European Union, and a lot of those have been resolved. However, there are still some tariff challenges in countries that are not resolved, like Mexico and Canada and Taiwan. And those sorts of deals need to happen, right? Or there's more ambiguity, and markets don't like uncertainty. So the tariffs are still lingering. We have to watch those. In addition, something we're watching really closely, and we have been for the last few years, is the jobs market. The jobs market in particular has done exceptionally well over the last few years. However, over the last 3 months and since the tariff impact, we've seen recent revisions where there's not been a strong job growth. And so that's a bit concerning. We'll be watching that, Gary. And then lastly, the interest rate saga with the Fed and the drama that's occurring politically around how, Trump is pressuring the Fed Reserve to lower interest rates. We'll be watching that closely. The market's now pricing in a rate cut in September, which would be positive for equity market.
For more information regarding wealth management and customized financial planning with WHZ Strategic Wealth Advisors, please visit WHZwealth.com. WHZ Strategic Wealth Advisors offer securities and advisory services through Commonwealth Financial Network, member FINRA SIPC, a registered investment advisor. Fixed insurance products and services offered through CES Insurance Agency. They practice at 697 Pomfret Street, Pomfret Center, Connecticut 06259, and 392A Merrow Road, Tolland, Connecticut 06084. They can be reached at 860-928-2341. WHZ Strategic Wealth Advisors do not provide legal or tax advice. The tenured financial services team strives to support clients in achieving their financial life goals while providing absolute confidence and unwavering partnership for life.